Okay, so let's dive right in. You're gonna open up PowerDirector Mobile and you're gonna bring in your footage, right? So this is regular Fire stock footage that you can get for free, and you can just download it to your phone. So let's bring in that into the timeline. Click on that, hit the plus button, and now it's on your timeline. Now you see right below it you have the layers, so let's tap on that. And now that you have your layers, what you want to do is you want to bring in the PNG that we created in Photoshop. Now I'm not going to get into how I created it, but I can make another video to show you how to do that. But for now, let's just open this up. Now we're in layers and we want to go to your pictures, right? So here are your pictures, and I already know where I saved it. So it's in camera, and it's actually going to be the first one that I saved here. So this is the PNG, this fire, even though you can't tell right now, but it is. So let's tap on that. So there it's showing me that it is fire, and what you want to do is just extend it to the length of the entire video. So let's go do that right now. So let's extend it and take it all the way as far as we can to we get it at the end of the video. Now you don't have to use the entire length of the video of the fire. You can just use a portion of it or whatever your needs may be. So all right, so you see that now the fire, it looks too small and it's not having the desired effect. So what you want to do is you want to hit stop, and you want to go onto the fire icon itself, and let's just spread that out, make it a little bit bigger so that it covers the entire frame. Now if we want to go back, then you can see the effect is still a little bit off, so let's make it a little bit bigger there. Let's expand it so it's nice and big. Okay, I kind of like that. So let's play it and let's see. So there you go. There you go. You have your fire inside of the text. I think it looks really good. Okay, once you're done, what you want to do is hit export. So you want to hit export, and then this will produce your video. You just want to save it to your gallery, and then you're set to go. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you like this. Also, be sure to check out my other mobile tutorials for PowerDirector. It's a nice effect, and you can, by the way, this is for the free version, so you don't even need to have the paid version. You can actually pull this off with the free version if you're wanting to try that out. I think it's a great effect. Let me know if you guys are enjoying it. I'd love to hear your feedback. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.